in the second part of neutral series, we'll know that what are the things we required to do practice for this neutral series eye makeups. So for basic to advanced, what are the things required? I'll tell you some of the things which may not required in basic level, but for advanced we required. So let me tell you what are the things. The first thing, for eyebrow defining, either we need eyebrow pomade or else we can use eyebrow palette. Here I am using Forever 52 Master Brow Kit. Next we require for eye base any brighter color concealer or full coverage foundation. Here I am using Kryolan, this one Kryolan Derma D61. I'll open and show you. This is the brighter one. You can see bright with a bit yellowish. And to blend this one, I'll use palette spatula. And next we need powder to set. Here I am using this fixing powder Kryolan Derma P2. These are the things. And next we need eye primer and eye glitter. Here I am using eye primer Daily Life Forever 52. This is pigment primer, it's written. I'll let you know what is use of this. And if you want glitter glue also, glitter primer. This one from NYX. Next we need some neutral shade eyeshadows. Here you can take the individual one if you want. See some the black, white and the brown. And here you can see I have actually this one the contour shade I have, but I can use this one as well. And or else if you don't have any individual one, if you have any palette which contains some neutral eyeshadows like this, I'll show you. This is from Euro Paris, and the neutral shades I'll let you know. See, this is white, this one brown, this is a bit darker, and again this is darker than that. Again we can use this one. So we'll pick the neutral shades from this palette and we can use. And we need some shimmers as well for professional label makeup. Here you can see this silver color, bronze, copper, golden bit. These are the colors. Or else from the palette we can use finding out the shades. Even you can use this kind of loose pigments. This is from Wet n Wild. I'll open and show. These are the things. How to use, I'll explain all this later. First I'll let you know what are the things you require. And these kinds of pigments. These are some pigments I have. These are from Color Bar. I'll open and show. I'll let you know how to use. It's looking like glittery, but these are not glitters. Some diamond powders. These are from Forever 52. Use of this also I'll explain. Or else if you have this one, the stacked one from PSC Cosmetic, you can use this one as well. If you have any individual eyeshadows like that also, you can keep it with you. Apart from that, creamy eyeliner, gel eyeliner. This one Kryolan one you can see. Ester cream eyeliner, Ebony. or else you can use today I received this one Europe girl black one, anything, and one white one as well, and one brown one, this PSC Cosmetic, that brown cream eyeliner 02 shade. And those who are doing practicing their eye makeup, on their own, means on directly on face, they can use this, they can keep mascara. If you are practicing on hand, in that case we will do mascara by using aqua color. And for the better result, if you are doing on yourself or you are practicing on human face, then you can use lashes and glue. Here I am using this Euro Paris and this adhesive, lash adhesive. So whenever I'll show any eye makeup on my own, then that time I'll just use this, or else if I'll show some eye makeup on my hand, in that case I'll skip this mascara, this one and this one. It's not required for hand. If you don't have any glitter glue, you can use two-way gel. Here I have this transparent two-way gel from PSC Cosmetic. You can get that for Makeup Studio and other different brands as well. Here I have some diamond powder. This one, I really love this one. PSC Cosmetic Moonlight Diamond Powder. These are the things. Apart from that, what else we need? Brushes. So brushes, I'll tell you. We need two blending brushes. You can keep this two blending brushes for yourself. One smaller one, one larger one. I have even more smaller. This one from PSC Cosmetic, number I think 1 to 6. Yes, 1 to 6. So these are the blending brushes. I'll keep it with me. Here I am using PSC Cosmetic Eye Definer 099 number for creating crease. Here I am using these two brushes. One is from the Musk India MBM 10 and from PSC Cosmetic 201. Size varies, depend upon your eye size you can use. And here I am using this flat concealer brush. This one really good. You can use this one to create the cut crease. PSC 091 the number. And some shader brush. Here I am taking this the Musk India 03 and 04 and 09 as well. And what else we need? I need some 2 pencil smudger. This one from MBM 06. This one from the Musk India MBM 08. Sorry. And this one PSC 147. Here I am taking this fluffy tapered brush MBM 06 and this one flat brush. You can see this one I'll use for multi-purpose, like if I required for brow bone concealing, means small area, the fine line creating, or else to apply the gel eyeliner also I can use this. So I'll keep this brush with me. The number is PSC, why it is not detecting, PSC 189 and MBM 06. Apart from that, I'll take eyeliner brushes. This one PSC 123, and I'm taking some paint brush. This is random one. I just have picked from that bookstore. So the number you can see 00000. So I need this too for defining hairlining of eyebrows. Apart from that, I need this kind of brushes, the fluffy one. You can see the extra 2 brushes I'm keeping for if I need to apply the glitters or pigments or anything, for applying glue as well. You may think that how to apply glue using this brush. I'll just do practical and show you. So these are the things we required, and again apart from that we need some other things as well. Wet wipes, and if you have any instant brush cleaner like PSC Cosmetics one, or else any rubbing alcohol like I'll show you this one. This is actually isopropyl alcohol. Somewhere it has this one, isopropyl alcohol. So if you have this kind of things like with you, you can put that one into a spray bottle and keep it with you. And need some cosmetic sponges, small and medium. This 2 cosmetic sponges also I need. I will keep this one here. So these are the things. If you have not noted that what else I told you, I'll do one thing. I'll write down all the things in description box. Please check that one. And in next class, I'll explain the preparation and techniques. So till then, take care and bye-bye. Meet you in next class of neutral series eye makeup. Less colors and more styles.